Hello everybody, it's me again. Welcome to my channel. The firstly, just like and subscribe to supporting me and watch a lot of lesson in the future. With the lesson before, I also guide you how to interfacing with the 74HC595 with the our microcontroller PIC12F675. So this lesson today I guide you how to using the 74HC595 and using our microcontroller to counting the number from 0 to 99. So just thank you to watching this video and just like and subscribe. So now the firstly I will guide you how to view the simulation on Proteus. The first you need to open your Proteus of software, right? New project. Here you just to take the name for this project and I will using this simulation. Okay, and I also choose the folder to save our project. I also save it on the desktop. Okay, next. Here you just to tick to create a schematic from the selected template. Choose the default. Okay. So here is our display of the simulation on Proteus. Now we are just going to take all the device we need to build the simulation. In this you just choose our microcontroller PIC12F675. Just double click. You can see here all the device also will be the list on the left, right? And we need the button. Button we also connect to make the reset pin, right? Resistor. You just using the 0.6 watt and I choose this. Our 7 segment. I also use the common anode and I choose this. And with the array resistor, seven four ST 595. Okay. I think we also have all the device we need. First, our microcontroller. You can see PIC12F675. Firstly, we need to connect with the reset pin, so I'm using the button, the first, to make the reset pin, right? Resistor. Okay, and I also using the capacitor. This value I also change to 0.8. I connect here to the ground. Okay, and this pin I also mark the label RST. Also using this to connect with our reset pin, right? Mark the label RST, right? So now I just take 74HC595 IC. As you can see in this, right? So with the first 74HC595, this pin I should also mark the label, and here I also mark the label. To be easy and to be clearly understand, I should mark the label to be sorted out simulation. I should connect to the GP0, so I mark this table GP0. GP0, right? And DS pin I also connect to the GP1. Mark this label. And HDCP I also connect to the GP2. Here I also mark label GP1. Here GP2. No, I should have a little mistake. Here it's GP2 and here GP1. Here GP0, right? Okay. This pin you need to connect to the power, and this pin you need to connect to the ground. Alright. And so now, before we connect to the 7 segment, we need to connect to the resistor, and I'm using the array resistor. Okay. I also change this value to 120 ohm. Just make the copy to save the sum. You choose the block copy. Here is the second 7HC595. This pin you should to be clear and connect here to this. Alright. Because we also using the serial chain for data. Now we are going to connect to the 7 segment. I also connect with the first 7 segment, and with the common anode you need to connect here to the power. With the second 7 segment, I also mark the label to be easy connect. Here all this I also mark the label. Just from Q10 to Q6, right? Okay. And with the common anode, you also connect here to the power, right? And I just move it to here, right? So as you can see in this, here is our simulation. So easy to build it, right? Now we are going to coding for this project and simulation on the product to display the counting from 0 to 99. Now you just open CCS compiler. You choose the file, new, project widgets. Choose the folder to save your project, and I save this on the desktop. With the file name, you just using another name, but here I'm using the full name. Choose the PIC12 and take our microcontroller 675, right? With the applicator type, in this you need to choose internal for me. And I'm using 4 MHz, so I change its value to 4 MHz. If you're using 20 MHz or 12 MHz, you should change the value similar like using. After this, you just create project. After create project, you just need to remember review this. After you review it, you just see in the file min.h library. The software also make a lot of commands for us to declare to warm up our programming, so we don't need to typing again. We just using this and just call this library, right? To using, we don't need to typing again. Okay. So the firstly, to be easy control our project and easy to coding, I just to take some divide our project. Now the first I need to define some pins like a SHCP. With the SHCP, I also connect to the pin A0, right? With the DS pin, I also connect to the pin A1, and STCP, I also connect to the pin A2. As you can see on the simulation of the project, you can see SHCP, I also connect to the A and 0. DS pin, I also connect to the A and on right, and at TCP, I also connect to the A and 2. So I need to declare this. And the thirdly, to warm up our project, I also turn off all this pin. 0. Okay, to warm up our project. Now I just to using the subprogramming to transfer data. This to transfer our data, right? And in this, I just declare some variable. Key and bit number for equal 0. Key also equal data and number. I just check the key value. Okay, and else. 0, right? After take the value of the DS pin, I also make the pools to transfer this data come to our 74HC595 at 8 CP. Okay, and after transfer all the data, transfer it to the 74HC595, I need to make the push all the data to the 7 segment. So we're using the SDCP pin, right? Okay, here is our generator program. You just to review to check some error. Okay, perfect. Now, firstly, we need to take the hexa file number from 0 to 9. Using this to the common anode. And you can see in this we also have the software. To take the number 0, you just to make like this, and you can see with the common anode we have the hexa C0. Just clear it. You can see with the number 1 we also have the hexa F9, and with the number 2 we also have A4, right? With the number 3 you can see we also take the hexa B0. Just do like this similar. We also take the hexa for the number 0 to 9, and to save the time I also take it before, and I just copy the using this, copy this. Okay, number from 0 to 9. So now I just to make the program to count up. All right. I just declare some variable number, and the firstly we need to be clear our 7 segment. For number equal 0, plus I just to transfer the data, and here is our variable number 10, and transfer number. I will explain this. When we want to display the number like 25, when 25 we divide it to 10, we also take the number 5, right? And with the 25 we divide this to 10, we also take the number 2. Okay, so just after this I just to give some delay, 300 milliseconds. Okay, now we just to using this in the main program, and also rely this on the product. Okay, now we just to using product to display it. Here the first you need to choose the clock frequency similar the clock you want to transfer the data. After that we choose the hex file. I save this project on the desktop with this folder, so I access this folder to using the hex file. Okay, you can see we also counting number from 0 to 99. It's worked very well, right? When we using the PIC12F675, it also make our circuit very smoothly and to save all the cost, right? Okay, it's worked very well. So now I just going to coding to count down or if I want to counting from any number to like 25 or 30 to the 80 or to the 90 or to any number, we don't need to counting from the 0 to 99. If I want to counting from the maybe 20 to 70 or anything, I just to make the subprogram like this: count min max is mean counting from minimum number to maximum number. Min and max. Min is mean minimum and max is mean maximum. Just copy this. And to save the time, I also copy this. Just copy and change little bit in this. Also the number I also equal the mean number, minimum number, and number also this in the maximum number. Alright. So now I just to show you if I want starting from the 30 to 80. I just typing the number I want to counting in this. Okay, review this. Okay. Now you just see this. Okay. Also counting from 30 to 80. It's so easy to control alt Z. And you can see it works very smooth and very easy, right? So just like and subscribe to supporting me to got a lot of video in the future, and supporting me to make a lot of video in the future. And if you have any question, you just leave the comment below or just contact with me via email, Skype or something like this. I also have the contact below this video. Alright, it's very easy. Okay, this lesson today had done. Just see you in the next time, and thank you for your take the time to watch this video.